Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap on the gear icon, enable just normal watermark like this, and here you can customize it. So you can write your own text here, like for example, and now let's try to take a photo with our new watermark. And as you can see, here we have our custom watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.